Hey guys, today I'm giving you a look at these electric salt and pepper grinders. I've been using these a ton and absolutely love them. They have certainly made a difference for me when I cook, so I want to share their features with you. One being the upgraded 2-speed grinding option. If you need a quick grind or you're grinding something tougher, high speed gets the job done fast. But if you want more control, like for delicate seasonings, low speed is perfect. The coarseness adjustment is also super easy. Instead of having to flip the grinder over or mess with the bottom, there's a simple external knob right here, so much better than older designs and way less mess. And they're rechargeable. No more wasting money on batteries. These charge with USB-C and last weeks on a single charge, which is so convenient. I also love that they come pre-charged and ready to use right out of the box. Just one button and they're grinding, making it a breeze to use one-handed, which is so helpful when you're cooking and your other hand is busy doing something else. Plus, the LED light is a nice touch too. It makes it easy to see how much you're adding, especially in dim lighting. On top of all that, they just look really nice. They're sleek, modern, and actually stylish enough to leave out on the counter, or I love to store mine above my stove for quick and easy use. Overall, I've been really happy with these, and I'd definitely recommend them if you're looking for an upgrade. They're easy to use, rechargeable, adjustable, and mess-free. Definitely worth trying out.